So I'm in the basement. We have a bunch of boxes here. We need to do some cleanup. The reason for this video is this. This is my 4K projector. Now I have to put it here because I don't have enough space between the back wall and the projection screen. I couldn't find anything online on Amazon anywhere where I have something that I can swivel, right? I can take it, like extend it, swivel it, put it away, right? Like so that people can walk past. I can literally, here, let me do this right now. Right, I can swing it all the way out into the other side, and nobody had this mechanism. What I ended up doing is I bought a TV hanger, heavy-duty TV hanger. Then I took this piece that was meant for to be the other way, vertical, and I drilled a hole through this piece. Instead of going this way, I drilled through a hole this piece, put some spacer made out of wood to make sure that it stays in place in center. And the actual piece over here is what it's meant to do, is to go against the TV. I just mounted against an end table I broke apart. I wasn't using it anymore, and that's it. That's literally my solution. Was able to bolt on these heavy-duty screws, and it's been holding for like I think 4 years now. This is awesome. If you have a similar situation like mine and you want to try this, check out in the description for all the parts. The parts are the TV hanger, a wall mount, and a drill bit for metal. And of course, if you have a drill, hand drill will do too. But if you want it to be precise, you want to get one that puts it in a table or something that gives you a straight shot. They also have attachments for hand drills. I can put in the description for that as well. And just get a piece of wood from your box store, or if you have one, scrap, and screw it on as it were meant to be for TV. Instead, you just screw a bunch of them in to secure the table piece of it, and make sure it's level. Because this is swings, right? I put in this metal piece and put it over here so that it doesn't swing out. And this allows me to level in case this starts to sway or like this over time. This is not really meant to be holding the weight this way, but if you have sway situation, you have this option. I just put some paper and stuff like that to level it out. So yeah, this is a great solution. Check in the description for all the parts and materials you'll need.